Good morning, Cardinal. How you doing? Yeah, come on down. Plenty of seed there for you. Plenty of seed there for you. Yep. You can, sparrows don't mind if you eat with them. No. Sparrows don't mind. Oh, look, and there's a towhee. There's a towhee. See him? That's a towhee. Hello, towhee. Yeah. Isn't he a pretty little bird? He ain't so little, is he? He's gonna come over and join you, Cardinal. Look. Look at that. Friendly little bird, isn't he? What do you think of that? Huh? Sparrows and towhee. Yeah. Everybody's out this morning. This is Sunday morning. Sunday morning, I believe this is the 13th of April, 2014. And I'm Sam the Bird Whisperer, because I talk to my birds. And Mr. Cardinal's right there next to Towhee. I guess that's Mr. Towhee. I think the male's the colorful one there. Look how close they are together. Isn't that cool? Yeah, I like this. This is going to be a good video. Oh, and there's a female, I have to look it up. I'm not sure whether that's a female blackbird or the female towhee. It's one or the other. I have to look it up. I saw it, but I can't remember for sure. But there, I got 3 little birds. Now that's the first time I've caught 3 large birds, different species like this together. Now that's amazing. That's cool. You guys, you're making a good video this time. This is excellent. National Geographic couldn't do any better. Or the Audubon Society. What do you think? What do you think about that?